Decagon, 10-sided shape. A decagon has 10 sides. A decagon can be either a regular decagon with all equal length sides and all equal interior angles, or an irregular decagon with all different length sides. A decagon can be either convex, with all vertices pointing out from the center, or concave with some sides pointing in toward the center of the shape. Note that shape names ending in gon are two-dimensional shapes, when shape names ending in hedron are three-dimensional shapes. Example, dodecagon versus dodecahedron, a 12-sided two-dimensional shape versus a 12-sided three-dimensional shape. A pentagon has 5 sides. A hexagon has 6 sides. A heptagon has 7 sides. An octagon has 8 sides. A dodecagon has 12 sides. A decagon has 10 sides. Related words: pentagon, hexagon, heptagon, octagon, dodecagon.